Jiten lighting CCTV solar LED floodlight, a solar light and a camera, 2-in-1 design, cable-free and free of electricity, ideal for all outdoor application. Portable design, suitable for outdoor camping. New technology increased the charging efficiency. Smart allocates the power based on weather situation. Light up all year. High definition 1080p camera. Provides day and night full color vision. Protect your places 24 hours a day. With radar sensor, light on automatically, video backup automatically. A good product makes you feel more at ease. Die-cast aluminum housing, high transmittance PC lens, material imported from Teijin, Japan. Is high temperature resistant and anti-flaming. Increased 50% brightness. Artificial leather handle, high quality and humanized design. Easy to carry, clip-on and detachable cover. IP67 waterproof. Battery fixed bracket, easy for replacement. Solar light with CCTV camera from Jiten Lighting. New technology, new life experience.